Okay guys, so this is going to be a very short video. I am going to show you guys how to pull customer reports. Okay, so if you do customer reports maybe weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever works for you is perfectly fine. This is your business, right? You're a business owner. So where consultants get stuck is that they think they need to go to the reporting tab. The best way for me to do mailouts is going to be, you come over here to the left-hand corner, and you're going to click these three little bodies, okay? That's our contacts tab. I'm already there, and when you guys click it, you're actually going to see address, phone number, email, all of that jazz, okay? But I have taken that out for the privacy of my customers. So with that said, the one thing that I do, I literally just go over here, and I'm going to click last purchase, okay? I'm going to click it until I see the most recent date for my order. So I had someone order today, so that's accurate. So the next thing that you would do, you can either handwrite these if you want. The best way to be mail merge would be mail merge, but I don't have a way of showing you guys that right now. I'm going to work on coming up with a video to show you guys how to mail merge. But literally after you do this, you export it to Excel right here. And once you export it to Excel, you save it to your computer, and then you can print it off, okay? And it has everything you need right then and there to put on your mail out. So that is how I reach out, or I send mail to my customers who order, okay? Normally what I send with mail outs, it depends on what they purchase, the amount that they purchase, but normally I send a scent circle, and on the back of a scent circle, I've already used up all my scent circles. Actually, I'll show you here. Like this is a mail out. So on the back of a scent circle, I literally just lift this up and I write a little note on there, okay? I make it personal to that person. I make sure that I say anything that they have going on in their life, or I make it personal to what products they purchase, everything like that, okay? That's how you build a rapport with your customer. That's how you build a relationship with your customer. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day.